We are the students of class 9, BlueBells Public School, Sector 10, Gurugram. Myself, Shikhar Srivastava, and here are my friends.
Hello everyone, I am Karnish.
Hello everyone, I am Guru. Hello everyone, I am Ramesh.
To solve the problem of red light jumping, we have decided to create a prototype of automatic traffic control.
Okay, here goes for smart mobility. BlueBells Public School from Gurugram in Haryana.
We have decided to add gateway to each of the 4 roads so that no one can jump onto the rotating part of the road. As soon as the traffic light turns red, the gateways will be closed. We have added a buzzer which will alert the person that they have to stop as the gateway closed.
We also decided to add timers for traffic lights, which will indicate people about the changing pattern of the lights, which will thus lead to prevention of accidents. The timers are more efficient than yellow light and can provide an idea to the people about when to move ahead and when to not.
When the LED lights turn green, the center part of the model rotates automatically and let the vehicles pass through it.
We have also added street light on the alternative roads, which has two benefits. Firstly, it will provide light on the main road and on the alternative roads during the night, which will lead to clear visibility and accidents will be prevented. And secondly, it contributes to the decorative part of our model.
We have used Arduino Nano in our model that can easily control each light and system. It has 8 ADC pins and 14 GPIO pins. We have connected all VCC and ground pins in the same rail, which makes our wiring very easy. We have used a big black servo known as MJ995.
This is our coding. Here we have declared the servo and the 7 segment library. Now let's move to next. Now here we have defined all the minimum and maximum angles for all the servo motors. Let's move to void setup. Here we have attached our servo motors on the mentioned pin, as you can see. Now in this we have set all servo to its initial position. In this coding we have declared all the pins for the traffic lights and buzzer. Here we have configured the 7 segment display. Now let's move to the void loop. Here we have executed two functions, anti-clockwise and clockwise. In void anti-clockwise, we have first opened the gates 1 and 3. Now we are turning the traffic lights to green. Now we have set the counter for 15 seconds. Now we are again turning off the green light and turning on the red light. Here, as you can see, it is for the buzzer and it turns the buzzer on. And this is for the closing of gates. In this coding we have turned off the buzzer, and now this coding is for the rotating part. Now we will move to the next function, which is clockwise. In clockwise we have first opened the gates 2 and 4. Now we are again turning on the traffic lights to green. Now we have set the counter for 15 seconds. Again we are turning on the traffic lights to red. This function is for the opening of buzzer. Now again we are closing the gates 2 and 4. This part is for turning off the buzzer. Now we are again rotating the center part to its initial position. So this was our coding.